A good Monday morning, Quad Cities. A nice, quiet start to the work week and more warmth, too. If you enjoyed the weather we had yesterday, it gets even better in the days ahead. It's another beautiful day to be outside today. Just make sure you have the SPF, that sunscreen, handy. That sun is getting stronger and stronger. There's going to be a good deal of it outside today. A couple of clouds working in from this morning. We'll go partly cloudy for the afternoon, highs in the mid 70s. Tonight, not as cool. Most, if not all of us, will stick to the 40s, right around 50. Tomorrow, though, that is our first crack at seeing 80 degrees here for the year in the Quad Cities. It's going to be a very strong southwest breeze. Pair that with the sun, I'm going to go about 81 for a high, and it gets even warmer. Look at Wednesday, 84. Same for Thursday. All because of this here. You've got a strong southwest wind coming in. That paired with the sunshine will easily push us into those 80s. Make sure, though, again, you've got that sunscreen, especially if you're going to be outside for the next several days. You can get a sunburn very quickly this time of year. It's not unusual for us to get the 80s in April, by the way. Two days worth is usually our average every April month since we began keeping records in the late 1800s. And as recently as 2022, we've had 4 days worth of 80s in the month of April, the record being 9 in 1985. I don't think we're going to beat that, but we may come awfully close to this here, back what happened in 2022. Now, this is going to be nice in terms of getting outside and enjoying the warmth, but it's not so nice when you're talking about melting the snow that's still on the ground to the north of us. This is how much water is in that snowpack, and there's a lot of pink here, a lot of dark purple and kind of that blue color. That's between 4 to 6 inches worth of liquid water. And we're not going to be the only ones heating up this week. They will as well to the north in parts of Minnesota where there's snow on the ground right now. By Wednesday, Thursday, they're going to be well into the 70s and 80s. That snow is going to melt literally in the next 3 days. All of that water, it's got to come right down here to the Mississippi River. That means that we could see our levels here in the Quad Cities rise above flood stage as early as this weekend. Almost a guarantee at this point, given this kind of a pattern. So something you want to keep an eye on, especially if you live along the Mississippi River. That'll be something we'll be tracking very closely here in the next several days. So full-blown summer through at least Thursday. We do cool down depending on the cloud cover on Friday, leading us into a more active weekend. Some showers and thunderstorms likely on Saturday. A couple of showers will be left over by Sunday, but there will be some dry hours. As that weekend gets closer, we'll try and find some of those for you. And a first look at the severe potential on Saturday, very low at this point, so that's some good news. But definitely get outside if you can the next several days and enjoy this first little flirt with some summer-like warmth.